Hey traders, I hope you're all doing well. So let's do a quick analysis on natural gas, gold, and crude oil today. So let's go back and check what I've said in my yesterday's video so that we can take it from there. So this is the situation I will look for buying trades. So once we have a break and close, if we have both right here, then in that case, I will look for a Fibonacci retracement. So if we have this situation, close and break and close here, then I will apply my Fibonacci tool. Okay, exactly right here. We did not closed above this zone and we couldn't take over Fibonacci entry. So looking at that, as you can see, the market did respect this zone of resistance zone we have marked. And now what to expect next from natural gas. So as now we are in between this zone and market just broke below this zone and now resisting this 50 EMA. So in this case, normally what price action does, it go back up and it gave us some nice double top move. It can still move up, come back down, and give us a pin bar to take short trades from this zone. So if we get that sort of action, then I will go for short trades from this zone. Otherwise, if we break and close below 50 EMA, and I want to see two candle close below 50 EMA once that happens, then I look for a retest of my zone to take short trades back to the next level of support, which is 6.434. So if we break below, then we have a strong sign the market can go back down of a gray zone. I will only go for buying trades once we are completely break above this red zone, break and close above this red zone. Then I will look for another target above the next level. So right here on currency.com, we are still have a same situation. If market push up in this zone and give us nice double top reason to enter for short trades, then I will go short from this zone. Otherwise, if we break below 50 EMA, then we can get a retest back to 20 EMA, or we can get a retest of this red zone, which starts from 7.295, goes up to 7.549. So if we get that after a retest, we can look for a bearish entry reason to take short trades. Otherwise, if we have a two candle break and close below, we can expect a pullback with an engulfing candle, and we can expect market to push down to this gray zone, which is 6.476. So I will only look for a good entry condition to take my trades. Wait for a good entry reason, either as a double top for short, or once we have a break and close above, I will go for my Fibonacci tool and I will look for long trades after a break and close of this zone. So next up we have gold right here. So let me show you what I've said in my previous video so that we can take it from there. And market can still fall to 1875, from where I will look for a nice engulfing pattern, or I will look for a double bottom trade from this zone back up to our next zone. Exactly what a nice condition we got right here. Exactly after the bounce, after the hit of this zone, we got a good bounce up as expected. And now if you look at the ATR of this candle, we almost hit our target with this wick, but for right now we can still expect a push up to this zone and market can still hit 1896. If we break above 20 EMA and close above 20 EMA, we can expand, then I expect a push up to at least 1908. So that's all for gold. Let's move on to crude oil. So as per my yesterday's video, crude oil was in indecision mode and broke above 50 EMA, now heading towards the next level of resistance. I've just marked this level here again. 107.783 goes up to 111.434. So I expect a push up to this zone, and then from here I will look for selling reason using my ATR to take short trades from. So that's all for all three commodities, guys. Any questions or any confusions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green rest of the week. Till then, take care.